10 jobs AI will replace in the next 10 years. You wake up one morning, and your job is gone. Not because of a layoff or a global crisis, but because a machine now does it better. Faster, cheaper, without sleep. Artificial intelligence is no longer coming. It's already here, and in the next 10 years, millions will be left behind. These are the 10 jobs AI is set to eliminate, sooner than you think. 1. Data entry clerks. Repetitive, rule-based, predictable. AI thrives on structured input, which is exactly what data entry is. Already, major companies are automating these roles, and in 10 years, they may vanish entirely. 2. Telemarketers. Ever spoken to a robot on the phone, and didn't realize it? AI voice systems are learning to adapt, persuade, and sell, better than humans. Most telemarketing jobs will become obsolete. 3. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout machines were just the beginning. AI-powered stores now scan, track, and charge you, without a single cashier in sight. 4. Fast food workers. Robotic arms are flipping burgers. AI is taking orders, managing kitchens, and even optimizing delivery routes. Fast food may soon be fully automated. 5. Delivery drivers. Autonomous vehicles are improving every day. From drones to driverless trucks, delivery jobs could disappear once AI perfects the route. 6. Bank tellers. When was the last time you went inside a bank? AI chatbots, ATMs, and mobile apps are already replacing tellers, and doing it 24/7. 7. Travel agents. AI now plans your trips, books your flights, and finds the best deals instantly. Human agents are being replaced by intelligent systems that know your preferences better than you do. 8. Proofreaders. Grammar tools like Grammarly are just the beginning. AI now edits, rewrites, and enhances content better than ever, and it's only getting smarter. 9. Customer support agent. AI can handle thousands of support requests at once, in any language. With real-time learning and empathy simulation, human agents may soon be a backup option, not the norm. 10. Market researchers. AI doesn't just read data, it understands behavior. It tracks, predicts, and interprets trends in real time. Marketing teams are already using AI to do the work of dozens. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. But here's the twist. AI won't just replace jobs, it will create new ones, too. The question is, will you evolve, or be replaced? Don't wait. Learn the skills AI can't copy. If this opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and prepare for the future.